Hi everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to walk through an interesting topic, and the topic is how to add PayPal payments on Shopify 2025, and it will be a breakdown step by step tutorial. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, we already in our Shopify admin panel, and we already set up our Shopify store. As you can see, this is the front end interface here, and we already have a product. If you see the product, if you click on buy it now, then there is a no payment option. Unfortunately, that for reason we are not allowed to purchase anything from our website. So in that case, we need to be set up our payment process in our Shopify store. So in that case, we can use PayPal because PayPal is one of the popular platform for payment procedure. So that for a reason I'm going to use PayPal in our Shopify store. As you can see, this is the PayPal, and if you don't have any account, so you can create it. So if you see it, if you are using it as an enterprise, it accepts global payment processing. Like you can use as it payment methods, you can as it as accept PayPal. Let's go one of them, and then you can see furthermore. If you want to see the info here, you can see we are allowed to integrate payment solution like accept preferable payments method, optimize payments, manage risks, secure credential storage, and you can see 20 billion transaction and many more. It's a really highly reputed platform, so it is totally zero risk free payment procedure. And also PayPal Braintree offers the feature you want, except like payment methods, checkout experience, online web, mobile web, in contents and integration. It has various features which will be reputedly helpful for a business owner. So I'm going to set up this PayPal in my Shopify store, and the process is really simple. You just need to be think as wisely as possible. So let's go on to the setting. In our Shopify store, we are getting to this option called setting in the bottom of the left corner. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you can see we have the option of payments. But one thing you need to be remember, that if you are from United States or first world region, then you can use PayPal. But instead of, if you are from third world country like Bangladesh, Pakistan and many more, then you are not allowed to use PayPal in your Shopify store. So you need to be remember it. So I'm from United States, so I'm right now staying in the United States, so I am allowed to use this PayPal payment platform on my Shopify store. So I'm going to click on PayPal, and you now can see that we already have additional payment methods, and in here already PayPal has been integrated with our PayPal method. So we just need to be activate it in our Shopify store. So that for reason we need to be click on activate PayPal. But before it, if you don't have any PayPal account, go on to the PayPal account and click on PayPal account. Just go sign up, and you need to be create an account. What reason you are using your PayPal method? Is it for personal or is it for business? So you need to be choose it wisely. Like if you choose personal, then here you can see send, spend and manage transaction all in one secure app. Shop online without sharing your payment info at checkout, manage transaction and more. If you are using for business, then here you can sell online or in a person, help grow your business, whether you are casual seller, freelancer or company. Accept customer preferred payment methods so you don't miss a sale. Just click on get started, and then it will probably take a time, and here they are asking for create an account. Let's create an account. MD my username will be mine, and my email will be project. Let's go and copy from that place. Just click on the Gmail and let's copy this from that place. It will be more secure for me. Then create a password. Yeah, this may be good. Choose use strong password. Let's copy it and store it here, and let's click on yes, agree, and create an account. So here you can see confirm your email address with a code. Enter your code. I will get a code over that place. Yes, you can see we already get a code. So here your verification code is this. I'm going to paste it here. So let's copy it, 681. So I'm going to 681 and then 416. Let's submit it. You are ready, just a second. So we need to be wait a while, and then you can see, let's go, your account, activate your account is starting PayPal will guide. Let's go. They will guide me business type, partnership, private non-profit organization. Next, they will ask for the business name. So you need to be fulfill all this necessary step one by one. When you complete it, now you will be landed on PayPal dashboard, where you can see your analytics, your all necessary folder you needed. So once you complete, just now you need to come over your Shopify store and you need to be click on activate PayPal. Once you click over here, there will be redirect you to this page. In here you need to be click on activated. Once you click over here, then please wait a while. We will perform a security check, and then it will give you the option to integrate your mail. So I'm going to copy my mail address again, and then I am going to paste it here, then click on next. Once I click over here, they will ask for the password, then click on login. Once I log in, it will be redirect it here, complete your profile to using the PayPal. So I already mentioned that you need to be complete your profile. Just click on next, and then you need to be fulfill all this necessary step, then click on next, and this way you will be go further one by one step, and your PayPal will be integrated here perfectly. So as follow the process, if you follow this process perfectly, then you can easily integrate your PayPal with your Shopify store so much perfectly. If you want to use PayPal furthermore other way, then you can go into the apps, then search for PayPal, then you can get couple of options to add your PayPal over that place, where you can see we have tracking for PayPal tracking system. If I click over here and if I see why I need to be use this one, then you can see this has get your PayPal funds faster, minimize your dispute and holds, boost your seller reputation, auto sync holder, and many more. I hope you understand how easy the process was, and if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any question related to this video, then don't assume I will give you the answer. Just ask me the question in the comment box. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel again, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.